Hello there. This is my tutorial for Stars by David Crowder. A couple of notes. First of all, David's guitar, from what I can tell, is tuned down a full step from C to B flat, I think would be what it would be. But it's tuned down a full step. And most of the tutorials that I see for this song, they're wrong. And that's in my opinion. Okay, I'm not a master of anything. But they're capoed up here and doing all kinds of stuff. That's not in the song. This is a very simple song. And instead of spending time breaking it down really finely, I'm going to give you the pertinent information and then move on and actually play the song. And it's important to watch both of my hands and listen with your ears. The way that you learn to play music, the way it was taught for generations, is one guy sat in front of another guy that knew the song and showed them what his hands were doing, and the other guy watched and listened. That's how to learn. So the strumming pattern, this is in C, and the strumming pattern is what it is it's, and let me see if I can get this right, it's down, 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 up, down, up. Okay, see, I can't do things that way. So listen and watch my hands. The strum pattern is alright. The chords in this song, there are three. C, G, and David does not play in this song that G where you do both of these. The B and the E string are pressed down, and that's a much cleaner sounding G. But he plays the B open on purpose because he wants that ring. Hear the difference? You'll hear that open B in this song a lot. So, C, G, and then he plays an F, which you bar these two fingers here, these two strings here with your first finger, like this. Put one finger on the third string, and this finger at the second fret, and this on the fourth string at the third fret. So, alright, that's it. But now, you can play the song you should see the stars tonight, how they shimmer, shine so bright and so black. You can play it like that if you just want to do it simply, but David is using hammer-ons. He's going, so he's coming from a G form, and he's hitting with the pinky, he's hitting the fourth string, third fret, and then third string open, and third string open, and hammering down on the second fret with the middle finger. So that what he's doing is he's ending up with a G, or I'm sorry, an F. That F that I showed you can also be played in a bar chord like this, or it can be played like that. The bar chord, you end up with an E form in these 3 fingers, and then you're barring, and that's an F. If you're not familiar with the bar chords, don't worry about it. I'm just explaining finger positions and why. But you can also use that E form and bar these 2 strings and make an F. And that is what he's doing in the C part of the rhythm, the C-F transition, where he's going from C to F. He's going... And then in certain parts of the song, he'll switch to the G and go... Second string, first fret. Okay, and he may do that sometimes, and sometimes he just may... Both appear in the song. And then for the F, sometimes he will play. And other times, what he will do is... So what he's done is he's just raised that finger off and played the whole chord. And that's pretty much the extent of it. So let's go through the song. Should see the stars tonight, how they shimmer, shine so bright. Against the black, they look so white, coming down from such a height. Reach me now, reach me now. Should see the moon in flight, cutting across a misty night, softly dancing in sunshine, reflections of its light. Reach me now, reach me now. How could such a shining light on me and make everything beautiful? You should feel the sun in the spring coming out after a rain. Suddenly all is green, sunshine on everything. I can feel it now. Shine its light on me and make everything beautiful. You should hear the angels sing, all gathered round their king. Beautiful than you should be. I've been quietly listening, I can hear it now. Such a king shine his light on me and make everything beautiful. I want light that shines on me shines on you and makes